This is an emergency seismic alert. If you are in Brookhaven and its small islands, please leave the building. Also, a tsunami is expected after the earthquakes. The earthquake magnitude is a 5.1. If needed, please go to places that can handle earthquakes if your home can't. Please take your radios or phones for more information. This is an emergency alert. The earthquake is starting and a tsunami will happen at 12:40 a.m. If you're listening on a TV, please get your radio for more information. Please go outside and don't stay inside. If you're listening this to in a car, please leave the traffic and buildings near you and go to open spaces. We will update you on this.